Welcome back. In this video, you're going to learn how to reactivate deleted leads. So let's get right to it. From the performance dashboard, you can access your lead list by clicking lead list in the left-hand column. Now, once that loads, you'll notice that a filter is already applied, and we need to change that. So click on the filters button, and then to turn off the active filter, you can hover over it and click X. So now let's scroll down to status and click on that, and then select deleted. Now this will show only the deleted leads. Select view the leads at the bottom of the page. Now the number of leads will be in there. That depends on the criteria that you've put in there. The lead I'm looking for is Gary Palmer. So let's find him on the list and click on his name. Now scroll down a little bit and you'll see that there's an option to reactivate your deleted lead. So let's just click on that and you're done. Once that's complete, you can return to your CRM and get back to your regularly scheduled activities. I hope this has been helpful for you, but if you have more questions about the CRM or Agent Elite Max platform, visit help.agentelite.com. Thanks for watching.